Picture this. You've been working hard your entire life, building a career in software engineering. You've mastered coding, learned all the languages, and you're ready to take on any challenge. Then, out of nowhere, AI swoops in and starts writing code better and faster than you ever could. That's exactly what happened when a company called Cognition Labs unleashed Devin, a software engineer powered entirely by AI. But what happens if this technology becomes widespread? What happens if AI just officially took our jobs? Well, let's dive into the future of work, where AI doesn't just assist, it replaces. But is that a good thing? The dawn of AI engineers. For years, we've seen robots and AI assist us in various industries, but now they're stepping up in a big way. The most recent game changer? Devin, an AI that can write, debug, and even optimize software code on its own. It's like having a personal software engineer at your fingertips, except this engineer is a machine. The best part? Devin doesn't just follow simple instructions, it learns and improves with every task it completes. Imagine your own AI assistant that can figure out coding problems by scanning the web for answers and running code to check if it works. From start to finish, Devin handles the entire process. Sounds incredible, right? But it's also a little unsettling when you think about it. The next level of AI development. But what makes Devin different from the AI tools we've seen before? Well, most AI systems are great at handling small tasks or providing suggestions, but Devin operates in an infinite feedback loop, constantly refining its code and solving real-world problems. It uses neural networks and large language models like GPT-4, processing data faster and more efficiently than any human ever could. It analyzes the environment, runs algorithms, adjusts code, and corrects mistakes, all while you sit back and watch. It's doing the kind of work we never thought a robot could handle. The stakes: is AI replacing programmers? So, does this mean the end of human software engineers? Not yet, but the future is coming fast. While Devin is still in its early stages, it's already beating other AI tools on major benchmarks for software development. That's right, the AI that was supposed to be just another tool has already surpassed others that were meant to solve problems in the coding world. The question is, when will it surpass human coders? And what does this mean for the future of programming? Devin is already working on freelance platforms like Upwork, getting paid for tasks that software engineers use to handle. This robot can create apps, debug existing code, and train its own AI models, all things we once thought required human ingenuity. While it can't yet solve every problem, Devin is a glimpse into a world where AI handles the tasks we used to do, and soon, it might be doing so at a scale and speed that leaves humans in the dust. The reality: will AI take over? Now, let's get real. Is this the moment we've all feared, the end of human labor in coding? Not necessarily. You see, while Devin and other AI tools are impressive, they still have limitations. Right now, AI excels at simple tasks, but struggles when things get more complex. In fact, Devin's code sometimes results in crappy demos that aren't ready for the real world. This is the flaw that many AI tools face. They're good for small, repetitive tasks, but when faced with the intricate and creative challenges of programming, they often fall short. However, Devin's future could look quite different. The more we improve these systems, the better they will get. It's like watching the first few steps of something revolutionary. But there's hope. Experts like Jensen Huang, CEO of NVIDIA, have boldly stated that AI will eventually allow everyone to be a programmer. That's right, the ability to code might be something everyone can do, thanks to AI. But even if this happens, it doesn't mean coding will vanish entirely. Sure, it'll be less about learning syntax and more about managing AI tools to bring your vision to life. This could mean a shift in skills rather than a complete loss of jobs. Humans will still play a critical role in managing, guiding, and shaping the world of AI. The possible future, a new kind of workforce. Let's not forget the big picture. The rise of AI-driven tools like Devin can be a great opportunity to shift the workforce toward more creative, innovative roles. If AI takes care of the routine coding tasks, we might find ourselves freed up to focus on the bigger picture, solving complex problems, coming up with creative solutions, and managing AI technology. This could result in a new era of work, one where machines handle the repetitive tasks, and humans focus on the things that make us unique, like creativity and critical thinking. Think about it. With robots doing the coding, humans could focus on the larger ideas, on the art of the tech world, designing, brainstorming, leading, and creating in a way that AI can't replicate. AI could become a tool to enhance our potential rather than a threat to our existence. The warning: don't get too comfortable. Here's where things get interesting, though. As AI tools continue to evolve, we'll face a growing concern. What happens if these robots really do replace us? The fact that Devin is already performing rail tasks means it could continue to learn and improve. And as Devin's abilities expand, it might start performing tasks we never thought possible, taking over roles in creative industries, healthcare, and even law. At some point, AI could become indistinguishable from human workers, and that's when things get a little more complicated. If AI becomes the primary worker, what will we do? How do we stay relevant in a world where a robot can do everything we once did? The answer: adapt or be left behind. The key to surviving in this new world is adaptation. Instead of fearing AI's rise, we need to embrace it and focus on the skills that robots can't replicate. Creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence. These are areas where humans still have the edge. AI might be able to write code and design apps, but it still needs us to guide it, correct it, and make the big decisions. It's about working with AI, not against it. So, as we approach a future with AI, let's remember, we shape the tools don't shape us. So, what happens if AI officially takes our jobs? The answer is complex. We're witnessing the beginning of a major transformation in the workforce, one that could be both exciting and unsettling. While robots like Devin are amazing and can handle many of the tasks we once thought were exclusive to humans, they can't replace us entirely. Instead of fearing AI, let's focus on the opportunities it brings and evolve alongside it. The future is bright for those who adapt, but for those who don't, well, we might have a problem on our hands. Stay curious. Bye-bye.